abrir, abrir can mean to open. That is the most basic meaning of this verb, abrir. For example, abre la puerta, por favor. Abre la puerta, por favor. This means open the door, please. So literally, we're talking about opening something. In this situation, this person is asking you to open the door. Abre la puerta, por favor. The verb abrir is right at the beginning, right here. It's a command, abre, tú abre. We don't need tú, but it's just a command that just says open, right? It means open. Abre, open. You can obviously remember this word and just replace the rest, right? You can replace the rest of the sentence. So you can say abre la puerta, which means open the door. Abre la means the. Puerta means door. You can change this to something else like abre la boca, open your mouth. Maybe someone's going to give you some snack or something like that. Or you want to give some snack to your partner. You can say abre la boca, open the mouth. You know, when talking about commands, you can change this to abre la ventana, open the window. Abre la lata, open the can. So it's a very useful command. Abre, open, right? And well, in this situation, we have la puerta, right? La puerta, the door. Por favor, this is a very, very common phrase that means please. It's always a good idea to use commands, to use por favor every time you use a command in Spanish. Abre la puerta, por favor. Because if you just say abre la puerta, that's a bit rude. It means open the door, but it's a bit rude. It just as in English, you want to say please, right? You need to be polite in every language. So por favor is a magic word to be polite in Spanish. Por favor, por favor. Okay, now let's continue. Let's talk about the next example. Let's look at the next example. ¿Puedes abrir la ventana, por favor? So this is a more polite way to ask someone to do something. In this situation, you want to open something. What is it? Can you open the window, please? ¿Puedes abrir la ventana, por favor? So, yeah, this is a very easy example. Puedes is a great word. It's a conjugated verb. This word comes from the verb poder, which means to can or to be able to do something. Especially can. It means can, right? So poder also means power, by the way. Poder can mean can and also power, okay? Can be a verb or a noun. So that is interesting. So puedes, when you just say puedes, that means can you do something? Can you do something, okay? Puedes, can you ... And you can add a verb right after, and the verb needs to be in the infinitive form, so don't conjugate it. It stays as is. Puedes abrir, can you open, okay? This also, puedes, is informal. If you want to make it formal, you can just remove the letter S, and then it becomes puede, and that is polite. That's very formal, very, very polite. But if you want to be a bit informal, you can just say puedes, okay? Puedes abrir. Can you open? You can also replace the verb, of course, with something else. You can say puedes comer. Puedes comer, for example, can you eat, right? You can add more to that, of course. Puedes caminar, can you walk? Puedes trabajar, can you work? Puedes ayudar, can you help? Okay, so it's a very, very useful word, puedes, when you want to say can you in Spanish. Abrir, we have the verb that we're learning right now, abrir, which means to open, and we have it right here, right? Puedes abrir, can you open? What can we open? La ventana, la ventana, la ventana. Remember the V sound in Spanish. The V sound in Spanish is similar to B as in bell in English, so don't worry about, oh my God, should I say ventana or ventana? Just remember, V and B in Spanish is the same sound, and the sound is B as in bell, okay? Ventana. Although if you say ventana, you know, because you have an accent, you're used to speaking English, it's okay. It's okay. But if you really want to nail every single sound in Spanish, then the letter V is similar to B as in bell. Ventana, ventana. And then we have, well, ventana means window. La, remember, we're using la because ventana is a feminine noun, and we gotta pay attention to nouns in Spanish, of course, because they can be either feminine or masculine. So pay attention. They can also be plural. So you have to match when you use, for example, definite articles like la or el. You need to pay attention to gender, the grammatical gender, and also the number. Is it plural? Is it singular? In this situation, it's feminine and singular. That's why we're saying la ventana, the window. Okay, that's pretty basic. It can be tricky in Spanish, you know, the grammatical genders and the plural, singular. It's fine. You just see the s at the end, and that kind of gives it away. But feminine, masculine can be tricky. Por favor, that's a good phrase. That means please. Okay. ¿Puedes abrir la ventana, por favor? Can you open the window, please? So remember, abrir means to open. That is the most basic meaning of abrir, to open.